Good morning everyone, myself Vanya.
Myself Kinjal.
Myself, Rajat.
Myself Maggie.
Today we the students of PM Shri Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Yamunanagar of grade 8 are here with the innovative idea of self-healing roads. Smart roads for sustainable future. Damaged roads don't just look bad, they risk lives and waste time in traffic. Constant repairs drain public money and harm the environment. What starts as a tiny crack can cause big problems for everyone. Imagine a world where potholes fix themselves. No road crews, no traffic jams, or no expensive repairs. It might sound like scientific friction, but self-healing roads are turning the dream into reality. Every year, cities around the world spend billions repairing damaged roads. Cracks caused by water, weather, and traffic often go unnoticed until they become dangerous potholes. But if roads could repair these cracks on their own before they got worse. Self-healing roads are an innovative technology where microcapsules filled with healing agents like bitumen or polymers are embedded in asphalt. When cracks form due to traffic or weather, these microcapsules break open and release the healing agent, automatically sealing the cracks. Now how it actually works. Microcapsules are mixed into asphalt during road construction. When a crack appears, nearby capsules rupture. The healing agent then flows into crack and bonds without any human help. Now why these self-healing roads matter? It matters because they are eco-friendly. Less maintenance means less material use. Cost-effective. Fewer repairs, lower long-term expenses. Self-healing roads are durable. Roads last longer and safer. Now why we need these smarter roads? Most roads are made of asphalt, a mixture of aggregates and bitumen. Over time exposure to sunlight, rain, temperature fluctuation and a constant vehicle pressure causes the material to weaken and crack. Self-healing roads offer a protective solution, materials that detect damage early and repair themselves before major failure occurs.
The roads of tomorrow won't just take us forward. They'll fix themselves along the way. In a future with or smart infrastructure, even the ground beneath us will know how to heal. Thank you.
So this is the prototype we create for self-healing roads. When there is a road and a crack became microcapsules rupture and the healing agent flows into crack, which takes the process of polymerization and the cracks close. So this is how the microcapsules works in a process of self-healing roads.